So today we've got a series of slides that I've laid out, and we're going to start with the plan of action. We're going to talk today first about recent developments. So a Court of Appeal case called Shopper Direct and the Official Receiver, which just came out a few months ago. That really has raised the issue of causes of action investing again in public consciousness, or at least the consciousness of those of us who do insolvency law. And while it doesn't necessarily change the law in any way, shape, or form, what it did is bring things back into people's minds. It's a good starting point to remind ourselves why vesting of causes of action are important. We're then going to talk about the effect of bankruptcy and vesting in general, just to give ourselves a good foundation as to what we talk about when we talk about vesting and what we talk about when we talk about property. So we're going to talk about what is property, what is a bankrupt's property, and how does that relate to the bankrupt or a trustee in bankruptcy's right to bring a claim in the bankrupt's name, what we call a shows in action. Then we're going to break down those shows in action into two distinct elements, what we call proprietary claims, claims which relate directly to the property of the bankrupt, which is vested in the trustee in bankruptcy, or personal claims, claims which relate to the person themselves, the bankrupt, issues which are outside matters of pure property. We're going to talk about which of those vests and which of those do not vest, and what any hybrid or special elements might accrue between the two of those. We're then going to talk about what can a trustee in bankruptcy do with any shows in action that they have vested in themselves. And finally, we're going to cover the issue of appeals against the bankruptcy order or judgment debts which gave rise to the petition debt or stat demands themselves. So whether a bankrupt can essentially appeal against their bankruptcy despite having been made bankrupt. So that's the plan of action. We're going to do a whistle-stop tour through it all. I don't intend to rely too long, as I said, on any particular element, and hopefully we'll fit it all within 30 minutes so you all can go on with your day.